Stem cell therapy, also known as regenerative medicine, promotes the repair response of diseased, dysfunctional, or injured tissue with stem cells or derivatives. First, to learn about what stem cell is, let's ask it. Hi, I heard I have a visitor today. Is that you? Oh well, then please don't leave, because I am really important to you. I'm stem cell number 170707, and me and my relatives are the raw materials of our body. And for me, I can differentiate into most of the cells in your body, including blood cells, brain cells, heart cells, and bone cells. Most of us come from two places, embryo and adult. Thanks, stem cell. In stem cell therapy, theoretically, it can heal any problems. However, the usage of hematopoietic stem cell, or the blood-forming stem cell, is the only stem cell usage that is currently approved by the FDA, and others are still under trial. Hematopoietic stem cell transplantation is usually used when individuals need to treat immune system or blood cell disorders. These cells are usually from themselves or from a donor, which comes from umbilical cord or the bone marrows. Before the actual transplantation, patients are required to undergo radiation or chemotherapy to kill off the harmful cells, which might also impact some of their healthy cells. Then, they'll be staying in the hospital for a few days for the transplantation of the healthy stem cells to create healthy blood cells. So, stem cell therapy is far from being fully activated, but it could become the ultimate lifesaver for millions of people.